Okay, so here's all of my chains. And to start your row of single crochet, you're going to take your hook, you're going to skip that first chain, and you're going to stick your hook into the second chain space there. Then you're going to take this working yarn, wrap it around your hook, pull it through that chain, and then you have 2 loops on your hook. So you're going to wrap it around and pull it through. Now that is 1 single crochet right there that you just did. So that little stitch is a single crochet. So you're going to do the same thing in all of your chains going across. So you're going to put your hook into the next one, pull up that yarn, you have 2 loops, wrap it around, pull it through 2. Stick it in the next chain, pull up your yarn, wrap it over, pull it through 2 loops. Same thing all the way around or across. And you want to count your stitches as you go sometimes, so that way it doesn't get where you have like 5 here and then 4 up here. So now I've gotten to the end. You're going to chain 1. And what that does is that kind of stands up your work up here. So that way we can make more single crochets going this way. So I chained 1 and I turned it over. So now I'm going to stick my hook into the top of this first one here. Pull up a loop, bring it through, and there I've got the 2 loops. Pull it through 2. Put it in the next one, pick it up, pull it through 2. Same thing, when you get to the end here, you're going to chain 1 and then turn it and go back. So you're just going to go back and forth like that. Okay, hope that helps. Good luck.